Hey guys, it's me, Risa. How are you? Welcome to my kitchen. Thank you so much for all your comments and questions. Definitely keep them coming. All right, I love them, and I promise that I'll answer all of them. You know, you can also find my group, Weight Watcher Tips and Recipes by Risa. I have almost 26,000 members now across the world, not just Canada. I mean, we Canadians are great too, but everybody else are amazing because everybody is on a different journey and have different insights to their knowledge and experience. And that is helpful. Having support is helpful. It's key. Of course, you know, I'm all about my recipes and making things that are delicious because that makes your journey easier, and you will not veer or want to veer as much because you'll have the things that you enjoy. And that's what I do. I try to change things and make delicious desserts and meals. Okay. So remember that even if there's something that I've made that you think, oh, I don't like that, I don't like that ingredient, you can change it up because all my recipes are versatile. You don't like the fruit, change it up. You don't like the spice, change it up. Okay, you don't want chocolate, you want peanut butter, change it up. So that's what I do. I look at different recipes and I change them. So this is so easy. You can make this in 2 seconds when you're feeling like you want a snack, or if you're having company or you want to take a dessert to them, double, triple. I'm just going to do a single portion and 2 ingredient Jello Fluff. I wasn't quite sure what I was going to call it, but then I was looking at it and that's what came to my head. 2 ingredients, no sugar added Jell-o. Now, for those of you that want a little bit of sugar, use it. You can make your own Jell-o up, or you can be, I don't like the word lazy, but this is just easy. Okay, not lazy, easy. An easy way is to just buy your Jell-o, sugar-free, any flavor. This one is strawberry and they come in lime, and I think different other kinds, orange, I believe. And at the low carb grocery store, you can make it. They have packages. All you have to do is add boiling water and cold water and put it in your fridge. Okay, so that's easy. And I like the ultralight Cool Whip because for 3 tablespoons, it's 1 smart point. All right, and for the Jell-o, 0. So this recipe, depending on what you add to it, is 1 smart point. Not bad. All right, so let's get started. I just have my bowl. Oh, I wanted to show you that I just did my recipe for icing, a chocolate and a peanut butter icing, and with some cute sprinkles on top. All right, just to make it fun. So check out my recipe for my icing. All right, super easy and delicious. Also 2-ish ingredients. If you put on sprinkles, then it's 3. All right, but who's counting? So you just take a bowl, and I'll show you what other stuff that you can add to it after. It's so versatile. So you just basically just take your Jell-o and put it in a bowl, or if you have one that you've already made, and just mix it up into little pieces, or just wait, and then you're going to add your Cool Whip. So I'm going to take 1, 2, and 3. It's embarrassing. I'm almost finished. I do have another one in the freezer. Yeah. All right. So just mix it up, and you're going to make your Jello Fluff. And if you're having company over, you could put this in some really cute little cups. All right, little glass cups, and it would look so pretty. Even in this, it just looks really pretty with the red, and this would be good for Valentine's Day or for Christmas, right? Now, so just for this is 1 smart point. A lot, right? And if you're making a large bowl with a full amount of Jell-o, so just try it out. Try maybe 6 tablespoons, which would be 3 smart points, and see how that works out. And, you know, again, you want less, you want more. It's up to you, people, okay? So you decide. So just for this, which is super yummy, just like this. Yum. I love that. You could add some almonds, and I like to just roast them up. See my video, it's super ridiculous. Just put them in a toaster oven and toast them and just turn them, all right? Keep them in a container. And for a tablespoon, 1 smart point. So you could use just a few and get away with no smart points. I love hemp hearts. You could add a little bit of this as well. You could add pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds, whatever seed you like. I have these Sensado sugar-free chocolate chips. A few is 0. If you use a tablespoon, it's 1 smart point. For fun, if you have children or you don't, and you're like me, you're a big kid, you can just use sprinkles, and there's just different kinds like I used on my cupcakes. I love them. It's just fun, and just for a few, okay? I don't count it. You want to count it, you can count it, but I don't count a few sprinkles. Now, if you want to change the flavor, you can add some peanut butter powder. Some people don't like this. I love it. You could just keep it in powder state, or you can add a little bit of water. You could make it drizzle on top or make it thick and add it. Would be delicious. Even some cocoa powder would be delicious and make it like a chocolate Cool Whip. So you could add cocoa. I'm giving you another recipe, people. Some cocoa to your Cool Whip and make it a chocolate, strawberry, deliciousness, whatever fluff, okay? So those are your options for this 2-ish ingredient dessert. That's so fast and so easy and ridiculous that it's satisfying, it's sweet, and you know, you need these things. These are the things that are going to help you get through this journey. Just making simple little desserts, all right, that are fun, and you can be creative. That's what I've been doing, just being creative and finding things that make it more interesting, like Cool Whip or whipped cream, because you feel like you're having a real treat, all right? So I hope you love this crazy, easy, ridiculously yummy 1 smart point-ish, depending if you just make it like this, dessert, my Jello Fluff, okay? And, you know, I could change the name, but I doubt it. I like Jello Fluff. I'm going to ask my members. And again, please share with other people, because sharing is caring. I hope, like I say, you don't have to be on WW, but I hope everybody's on a health journey, because health is wealth, all right? We have to look after our health, so we can do and enjoy everything that we want to do and feel good, right? Okay, so take care. Keep the comments coming. Touch the like button, all right? As many times as you want. And see you soon. Mwah, and enjoy. Bye for now.